One everybody, this is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, the first and only place you can find the Jamaican American views on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. And today we're going to talk about Tappa Whitmore, the sacking of Tappa Whitmore, how long it takes JFF to make that termination, and why is it that certain people are still on Twitter talking about Tappa Whitmore's glories as if he's some footballing king to Jamaica football when he's not. First and foremost, I said that at the end of the Gold Cup, he should have been fired. That didn't happen. It took him all the way until October maybe to fire him, and it's been long coming. We know this. We know that in the Gold Cup, the third match and the last and the fourth match of the Gold Cup, we saw the filtering of the team. We saw the deterioration of the team, and no one wants to call it out. I said from day one that they should fire him. I started saying in September or October that we should fire him and get Paul Hall in the stands in the dugout. No one mentioned it. No one wants to say anything, right? But ideally, what is happening now, or what has happened now, is that the Jamaican people has been turning on Tappa Whitmore because of the results. And I saw this from earlier in the summer. There was no progress in the football. There was no progress in the football that we've been having since the last 5 years. But they've been hiding and hiding and hiding, and now they finally come out. And I mean, good on them to come and say with a with a firm mouth that this man should go. Man like military Guna has been saying that for a while. Ryan LFC has been saying that for a while. This man needs to go. This man definitely needs to go. And I was one of the first, probably the first man on YouTube to say, yo, we need to get rid of him and bring in Paul Hall. I mean, Paul Hall doesn't have a lot of pedigree. We know that Paul doesn't have a lot of experiences, but he has experience playing in the under 23s at QPR. And at this point, nothing else can be worse. It can't get any worse than that. So I say get Paul in. I'm glad he's in, and I'm looking forward to see what he plans on doing. You're hearing that Mario Gray should be coming in soon. That's good. We want to see the improvement in the team. We know we have a lot of attackers, no defenders. We need to get the midfielders up far. Let's get them in. Let's get the team in, and let's see what happens next month. There's a group on Twitter that keeps talking about the basis of Jamaican football and how Tappa Whitmore has done so much to improve the football. In which case, he has not done anything at all to improve football one iota, not one. You don't see him doing anything to develop the game, develop football, schoolboy football, club football, the national team, nothing. And Jadine White, I don't know you. I appreciate your comment on Twitter, but I like to comment on this myself, just make sure that you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Utmost respect giving me the chance to represent my country. No words can describe how grateful I am to its opportunities to wish you all the best of luck in the future, Gaffer. No, Theodore Whitmore was a great football player, wonderful football player. He scored 2 goals in the World Cup. Not many people can say that, but he's not a football coach. He was never a football coach, and it took me 2 games to tell you that this man is not a coach. And even though I said this over and over, and the coach's desk, Ryan LFC, everywhere, people still not listening to what I'm saying that this man was not coach. We're looking forward to see the new coach coming in, bringing his team in, building his team, and it's still a possibility that he can qualify for the World Cup, even though it's slim. It's still a possibility. We need to start winning and winning very good. And hopefully the team up front can drop points here and there so we can climb the stands. But people, let's not sugarcoat it. Let's not play games with it. Let's not play with it. This was just a shit show from the get-go. JFF, shit show. Whitmore shit show. And now they're taking the blame for the Whitmore sacking Whitmore, but not sacking the JFF. Right? I know it's more difficult for him to get rid of, for them to get rid of him, but he needs to go as well. We need to get rid of the JFF. Simple as that. It's as simple as that. First Whitmore and then the JFF. That's what I'm saying. That's what I've been saying. Thank you guys so much for support. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Appreciate the support and in the channel. I'm coming back fully, 100% in no time. But I just wanted to drop this Christmas surprise to you guys so that you know that we can hope and pray that we can get some good results in January so we can qualify for the World Cup. If not, and the next 4 years. Anyway, thank you guys so much for supporting. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Bless up yourself. Manaz.